Hello everybody. Today we're going to be making new shapes or bigger shapes out of small shapes or shapes that we already know. These bigger or new shapes are also called composite shapes, and we are going to make them using pattern blocks. And the pattern blocks are shapes that we also already know. For example, hexagons, squares, triangles, trapezoids, and rhombus. The first shape that we are going to make is a rectangle. There are many ways to do a rectangle. Can you think how we could make a rectangle using some of these pattern blocks? You know how this works. Which pattern blocks could you use to make a rectangle? Yes, that's right. I could put two squares together, and then I have a rectangle. Remember, a square is also a special kind of rectangle. But wait a minute, is this the only way? No, there's other ways too. I could make a rectangle like this, or like this. Good job. Let's look at another shape. How about making a trapezoid? Which pattern blocks could I use to make a trapezoid? Let's try it out with triangles. I could use 1, 2, 3 triangles to make a trapezoid. Great job. Now let's move on to something a little bit trickier. How about a hexagon? I can think of lots of ways to make a hexagon using pattern blocks. Let's try them out. I could use 2 trapezoids. Great job. I could also use 3 rhombuses. Another way of making a hexagon would be to use 6 triangles. I could use 1 trapezoid, 1 rhombus, and 1 triangle. Can you think of yet another way of making a hexagon? Wow, we can make this shape using many different pieces. So now, let's look at this rectangle. How many squares can you find hiding in the rectangle? Can you find them? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But wait a minute. How about here? If I put these 4 squares together, they make a bigger square. So that would make 7. And these 4 squares over here, if I put them together, they also make a bigger square. So that would make 8. There are 8 squares in total hiding inside of this big rectangle. So now it is your turn. You are going to make bigger shapes or composite shapes out of small pattern blocks. Good luck!